Welcome to another My Fix It Up Life Makes. And today we're going to talk about how to get wood from a pallet. Even though this pry bar, probably the best style pry bar since the dawn of the pry bar, is awesome, it won't get the nails out of here. Because what you're dealing with when you're taking apart a pallet is that the connection between the nail and the wood is stronger, if you can believe this, than the wood itself. So blunt force trauma, as good as these tools are, by the way, I think I reviewed this at myfixituplife.com. I should know that. I don't know that. But you can go there and find out. This is an Est-wing pry bar, and it's an I-beam shape. Can you see? You can kind of see it like that. And it's got a right angle head on it, and this wasn't intended to be a pop-up tool review, but it's a pop-up tool review. And I also think I reviewed this Est-wing hammer. I like it quite a bit, in large part because it's steel. It can deal with some of the heavier framing that I do from time to time. And I love the shallow fetch. The fetch is the curve on the claw. A deep curve makes it hard to get in and get behind stuff like you're trying to pry off molding. That's what this stuff is great for. For pallets, no thank you. And by the way, this is another awesome pry bar. This is a hide. I use this all the time, but again, not appropriate for pallets. What is appropriate for pallets? You gotta go Mac Daddy, baby. Even though this isn't my favorite reciprocating saw in the whole world, everybody calls these sawzalls. Try to say that 10 times fast. That's because Milwaukee Electric Tool Company invented this kind of tool a long time ago. They called it the sawzall, and much like the skill saw, it just became like the popsicle, the Xerox, the Kleenex, etc. This is really called a reciprocating saw, or if you're a total tool dweeb like me, a recip saw. Now what I've done to my recip saw is I've put in a metal cutting blade, because what I'm going to do, instead of trying to pull these nails apart, which will destroy all this, this looks like heat-treated pine to me, and it's probably, I might go with white pine on this, but I could be wrong. At any rate, metal cutting blade, reciprocating saw, and if you have a professional style reciprocating saw, you're going to have an orbital action, which means the blade cuts like this. And that's for aggressive demolition. So if you're cutting onto a roof, for example, or you're taking down studs, you're opening up a wall, that sort of oval-shaped cut, what that does is it enables the blade teeth, to eject chips. It cuts more efficiently. When you're cutting metal, however, I like to just go with straight recip action. And that's really all there is to it. What you want to do is get the saw in. I already cut this one, and here, this is cool to see. Let me see if I can do this. What you might end up with are a couple of cool gems like that. That's a cut nail. So what we're trying to do is cut the nails. And what happens is I'll whack through a few of these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 nails in probably 16 seconds. So what I'll do now is I'll go through the rest of this. I'll flip it over, I'll turn it around, and I'll have to gain access in here. And for the center stave, for this middle part, you can see it right here. Well, you know what a pallet looks like. I mean, you guys are smart. But for this one, that's hard to get to. So I have a longer metal cutting blade. I don't want to gobble up all the teeth on these. These things are not cheap. So you could use a demolition blade. They work. But I use a metal cutting blade on this. So I'm going to keep going on this. I hope you will subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you'll follow us on Facebook. I hope you'll watch this video. And if you have any interesting ideas, techniques, or tips for taking pallets apart, or want to share your pallet projects with us, man, we love that. We love that here at My Fix It Up Life. We love what you make, and we love making stuff. So obviously, I have no problem talking too much. So we'll see you as